Hi guys, so Miss Davenport and I noticed that some of you were having trouble figuring out how to submit, so this is a quick video to help you see how to do that. So I'm in Miss Davenport's example classroom right now, and I'm going to go right here to the assignment, tell me about your best teacher drama forever friend. That's her. So here it is. There are my questions, my requirements. I'm going to go over here to the right of the screen where it says Submit Assignment. And then I have a couple options. If it's just a typing assignment, I can click right here and go type, 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 and submit. Or for especially our classes, you're probably going to have to upload.
And I have one.
Yes. You're probably going to have to upload. And for uploading, you can either upload a file, so that's if you have pre-recorded something or pre-typed something, or this little guy, audio video recording. And then you can either record just audio, like maybe we're doing a monologue, or audio and video. And that's how that looks. Start recording. Oh, look, I'm double recording 2 things at once. Whoa, it does. And then I'm going to hit stop recording. I could play that back and watch it. Start recording. Oh, look, I'm double recording 2 things at once. Whoa, it does. And then I'm going to click insert recording. I can add a comment. For example, you are so silly, Miss Davenport.
Who, me?
Please conduct yourself like a professional. I'm kidding. And then I'm going to hit submit. And there it is right there. If your teacher has given you options to submit multiple times, you'll see the little button resubmit assignment, like maybe you realized you left out a part, or you look back later and you're just like, I can do better. You can hit that. And that is just a quick little tutorial on how to submit an assignment for your class. Enjoy.